Well, good morning. We're out in Minneapolis. Gonna do a small little backyard lawn leveling, lawn renovation. Nice and easy down. All right, so I'd yank out a couple little scrub brushes. So let's do that real quick. Shouldn't take nothing. 2 wraps around it. Hopefully it grabs. The feeling of satisfaction. So, all right, cleaned up all the scrub brush, rest of the little roots and stuff like that. Rototiller will take it, no problem. Yeah, what do you think? That's big. That's a laundry pole. Back when they built things to really build them. When Grandpa says he's going to put a laundry pole in, Grandpa's going to have one for the next few generations. Well, we got her all rototilled north to south, east to west. We did a quick little bucket swale. Oh, I'm sorry, I got allergies and I'm a rough shape. Did a little bucket swale through here. We're gonna clean that up with the TR3. Found a laundry pole, big guy, 2.5 feet deep, all of 300, could be up to 450 pounds, 150 pounds per square foot or cubic foot of concrete. We got 2-3 cubic yards of concrete. So Grandpa made sure that laundry pole was never gonna move. Let's get the TR3, let's get this graded out. Let's get the water to shed away from this structure, kick it over to the driveway portion and have everything naturally flow. Bam, right there. We can do it. We just gotta do it. okay. We got it pretty good for close to finish, but still a rough grade. Small lawns, just no getting away. We're gonna have to do a little bit of hand work. You just can't take a big tractor, and that's actually a small tractor, and do the intricate work by all the fine details. Smaller projects, more hand work, just the way it goes. All right, last thing to do is just roll it in. Leveled, rototilled, smoothed out, regraded. No, one of my signature no seam swales. Kick the water out, get it over to the driveway. That's a wrap. Time for me to go home and get some high quality indoor air quality, some IAQ. Get out of this Mother Nature stuff. Guys, I'm the Bulldog. You see me doing it. You could do it too. Cheers from the Bulldog, guys. Oh, man. I think I'm gonna die here.